Okay, guys, today we're not only going to model our equations and inequalities, but we're going to solve them as well. Okay, so we're going to model them first, and then I'm going to show you how to solve them from the model. And then tomorrow, we're going to work out how to solve just straight from the equation. Okay, so we want to set up our model if we need to. A lot of times the model's already set up for you. And then you want to make sure you move all your constants to the right side of the equation by performing your opposite operation. If it is adding, you need to subtract. If it's subtracting, you need to add. Okay. Cancel out your pairs of positive and negative numbers, and then group together one x with the numbers until all have been divided out. And your answer is x equals whatever number is in the group. Okay. So let's look at this. Number 1, we're going to model 3x minus 4 equals 8. Okay. So we're going to do that. So I need 3 x's. So we're going to do 3 x's, negative 4 ones. Okay, and that equals 8 of these ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the easiest way is if this one side is negative and one side is positive, they're opposite signs. That means we have to add it all together. Okay, so these are going to be added onto here. So I'm going to cross out 4, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And because they're negative over here, they're going to end up being positive over here. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I have 3x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3x equals 12. Okay, so I want to group these in groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted 3 groups that are all equal. So that means x equals 4 here. Okay. Okay. Our next one, number 2, 2x plus 7 equals negative 11. Okay, so I have 2 x's, 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 11 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And these are all negative ones. Okay, so I have 2x here, 7 ones, 11 negative ones. Okay, so these are opposite signs, which means I'm going to change these to negative and move them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I have 2 x's, which means I need 2 equal groups. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to split this in half. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So x equals negative 9 because these are negative. Negative 9. Okay? Okay, let's do number 3. Negative x plus 4 equals 9. We have 1 negative x plus 4 ones equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when they are the same sign, so if these are both positive on both sides or both negative on both sides, we can just cross out one for one. So we're just going to cross out one here, 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 one here. Okay, and then this leaves it negative x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if this x is negative, that means all of these numbers are going to turn negative. So we're going to be left with x equals negative 5. Okay, and number 4, negative 5x minus 8 equals negative 13. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative 1s. And then 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And these are all negative as well. So everything's negative in this one. Look at that. Negative 1, negative 1. Okay, these are both negative on both sides, so we're going to just cross them out one for one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need 5 equal groups, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. Okay, so that means it's negative x equals negative 1. Okay, so if this is negative, I change the sign here. So it's going to end up being x equals 1. Okay, all good there. Let's move on to doing some inequalities. Same thing. Set up your model, move all the constants to the right side of the equation, cancel out your pairs, group together 1x with the numbers until all have been divided out. And answer is x equals whatever inequality symbol we're using, the number in your group. The only difference here is if x is negative, we need to flip the symbol to its opposite. So if it was less than, it becomes greater than. Okay, I have the other. Where is it? Where is it? I'm sorry, guys. There it is. Okay. Okay. I have the models we drew for it already. X minus 4 is less than 5. So x minus 4 is less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me make this bigger for you. Okay. So same thing. We're going to cross out our pairs. This is negative. This is positive. So we're going to cross out 1 for 1. So we crossed out 4 on each side. And I have an x and only 1 here. Okay. So it's going to be x equals 1 is our answer here. Okay. Negative 3x plus 12. Zoom out a little. There we go. Negative 3x plus 12 is less than 21. So we see here, these are both positive on each side. So I can cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and I have 3 x's, so I need groups of 3. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I need 9 3 times, that means I'm doing 9 divided by 3, which means 9 divided by 3 is 3, okay? So 3 groups of 3. That's a negative x, so since these are positive, we're going to switch them to negative to make it x equals negative 3. Okay. Next one, 4x plus negative 7 is less than or equal to negative 11. I'm sorry, guys. This should be less than. I'm using the wrong symbols here. Okay. This one, because it was greater than, but we divided by a negative, my x was negative over here, we're going to switch it and make it less than as well. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do it. So we have 4x plus negative 7 is less than or equal to negative 11. Okay, they're both negative on both sides, so we're going to cross it out one for one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 4 here and 1, 2, 3, 4 here, which means it's 1 for 1. So it's going to be x is less than or equal to negative 1. So there's only 1 in each group. Okay, last one, negative 8x minus a negative 4 is greater than or equal to 28. Remember, when we subtract a negative, it becomes positive. Okay, so we have positive over here, so we're going to cross out one for one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative x's. So let's count how much I have left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many times does 8 go into 24? 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. So it's negative x equals 3. That negative changes this to a negative, so it's going to be x is less than or equal to negative 3. Because if that's negative, that means that sign flips. Okay. If there are any questions, let me know, okay? And I will help you out however I can. You guys have a great day.